Hey guys, it's Creepinson, and this is part 1 of my full stack blog series. The first thing you will need to do is open up your browser and go to the first 2 links in the description. One of these links is for Node.js, which is a JavaScript engine for developing the backend, and the other link is for the IDE that I'm going to be using, which is Visual Studio Code. Once you have these, we can get started. The first thing you probably want to do is get some extensions for Visual Studio Code, and you can get some my favorite extension that I'm using on my blog. The next thing you want to do is go to the terminal at the top of the menu bar and go into New Terminal, or using the keyboard shortcut as seen here. Then you can type in npm init. You can use the default information that is provided, but I recommend selecting the project name that you want. And then when you enter everything, it should create a package.json file. Inside will be the project information for your project. Next thing you want to do is type in npm install --save or --save, and then we're going to add a couple of things. One of them is express, and then we're going to add type/express, and this is the beginning of our application. You want to enter that and wait for it to install. Once it is done, we're also going to enter the same command, but similar command, with npm install --save dev, and then we're going to enter TypeScript. This is going to install TypeScript, which is a variation of JavaScript that I personally like better, and a lot of people do too. You're also going to want to initialize TypeScript by installing it globally here, which is -g instead of save dev. Now we can begin initializing TypeScript by typing tsc --init. It will create the TypeScript file. Now we can change some properties, options that we want, such as the out directory. We're going to set to /dist and save it. Now we are going to want to go into the package.json file and enter a script called start. This will build the project and run the application. I'm going to type in tsc --build and symbol, 2 and symbols, and then we're going to type in node this/index.js. Boom. Hopefully this works. Now we can create a source folder in the root of our project and create a file inside of it called index.js. Oopsie. We actually going to want to name this index.typescript or TS. There. Now you want to type in import express from express. And then we want to do constant app equal express, like so. Boom. Now we type in app.listen 3000 and a arrow function with console.log express app listening. Boom. Then you want to go before the listen part, not after, and type in app.get /, which is the root path of your website, and then request response as an arrow function, and then we're going to res.send hello world. This is our first Express app. So if we go to the terminal and type in npm run start, if I did it correctly, it should run the application. See, it says Express app listening. Now we can go to a browser and type in localhost 3000, and to see, it should say hello world, as you see here.